Hey guys, still City here. I'm here talking to my new mic right here. If you guys hear me good, let me know. Um, so I'm glad I got this thing. It works like a charm. Oops, I'm sorry for the shaking. I'm putting on the table. Um, I like this mic, and leave a comment down below and let me know you guys hear me good. So first time using this, and I like it. So don't forget, hit that subscribe, and more videos will come, and more reaction videos will be coming soon. Now I got this mic, I can do a lot more videos and a lot of great content for you guys now. So we'll get into it. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to do it. Like I'm gonna say this right now. It's gonna be phenomenal. So I'm glad I got this thing right here. If you guys can see, it's really time to do more great videos now. So I'm gonna end this vlog, guys. It's gonna be a little short video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe, drop tons of likes, and I'll catch you guys on my next video I'm gonna release. Love you guys. Keep rocking, and more videos will come. Alright, guys. Love y'all. Peace. Talk to you guys soon. Love ya. Bye. Yeah.